Hello YouTube. Today I want to talk briefly about the Crowdstrike security incident that happened on July 19, 2024. Basically, Crowdstrike released a faulty update for the Crowdstrike Falcon sensor. Uh, this update led to computers and servers experiencing the blue screen of death error, and it caused massive disruptions. Apparently, it affected banks, airlines, and many different businesses around the world. Uh, I work in IT, and I can tell you we had a very chaotic morning. So the purpose of this video is because I want to show you where that file, the corrupted file, is located, so you can get rid of your systems. These steps are performed while in safe mode, and I just want to show you the steps. In this case, these steps have already been performed on this server right here. So, uh, so this is the path that you have to where this file is located. So C, Windows, System 32, driver, Crowdstrike. Once you get here, then you type star 291 star, and then you have to get rid of this file. Eventually, CrowdStrike updated this file, and if your system has this file from July 19, 2024, from 1 a.m. till 2 a.m., you need to delete it, and this will bring your computers back online. Again, this is just a quick, brief video. I believe that it just caused a major chaos yesterday, and I hope that whoever was affected is back up. I know that it can create a lot of fear and disruption, and that's not something you want to see uh, on a Friday morning. Thank you.